welcome back to Art for Kids, and today I'm going to be drawing a girl, as you were seeing up in the corner. That was kind of bad, so I'm going to do a different one. This is easier, and it is it like this. So let's just get on to drawing it and coloring it. So this is the end of this video. I hope you liked it. Make sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with other people you think might like it. This is how it turned out, and then this is a reference. I did change some things up. I made it sort of windy, and I made the birds a little bit different. Bye! See you soon!